In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert HTML to PDF on online for free. So first, I'm going on Google. Then here type HTML to PDF. Just click on enter. Here's a lots of website give you this process. So I choose this is the cloud convert. This is a drag and drop easy for me. You can choose any others format as well. So I need to upload this file here. So select file first, then choose your HTML file. That's it. mdsaddam.html my file name. That's converts to I need to choose PDF. So I'm charging on here PDF. So you can see PDF. Just click on convert. So after only few seconds, it's automatically convert to. So I need to click on download. That's it. So my work are done. So if I going on my memory, so you can see this is a PDF file. Also, oh okay, this is a PDF file. So my method are working. So this is the method how I can convert HTML to PDF on online. Is totally free. So if you found this video helpful for me, like subscribe this channel. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.